Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my BoxyCharm. I think this was called like this skincare, it was like BoxyLimited skincare edition or something like that. I just ate tacos. I probably have stuff in my teeth. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. And without further ado, let's unbox this box. I'm so excited that they came out with a skincare box because I love skincare. The past year I have been a skincare junkie. Like, I have spent so much money on skincare trying to figure out what works best for my skin, and so far I found a brand that I absolutely freaking love that I feel like not enough people talk about, and I will do a whole dedicated skincare video. Once I kind of diminish my acne scars a little bit more, that's the only thing I'm left with. Last year, I don't know what happened, but my breakouts were crazy, insane, terrible. It was so depressing. So that's whenever I went on my skincare hunt, trying to figure out what works for my skin to take that away. And now I'm just left with ugly acne scars that I'm just trying to get rid of. But anyways, that is for a different video. So let's jump into this BoxyLimited Skincare Unlimited Glow Limited Quantities box. And then, like all the BoxyCharms, it has everything that came in the box and the prices on this little sheet. So when you open it up, it's just like a BoxyCharm. It's actually bigger. It's more like a Boxy Luxe box. And then here is everything. Ooh, I'm so excited. So first I'm going to pull out this. This is the Versali Jelly Beam Illuminator. I've always wanted to try this just because it looks cool. And I remember whenever it first came out, so many people on YouTube were talking about it. I don't really remember if the reviews were good or bad. I just remember the consistency of it was so weird. So if I can open this, this retails for $40. $40? Oh my Lanta. $40 for this. Oh, and it's sealed shut. So if yours isn't sealed shut, I would question it. Ooh, I'm so excited. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty gold packaging. It's a good size too. Like, compared to my hand, it's like the whole palm of my hand. It's a good size. Ooh, look at that, guys. Look at, oh, it's gonna fall. It is literally like a watery jello. Oh, it looks so pretty though. Let me do, I'm so bad at swatches. Let's see if I can do this. Let's see. Ooh, oh, it's really pretty. I feel like it just gives like a nice sheen, a nice glow. It is pretty glittery though. Not gonna lie, it is pretty glittery. If you wanted to do like a more natural makeup look, only using like a tinted moisturizer, but you still wanted a little bit of highlighter and you didn't want to use powder, then you just, you know, put that right there and it would give you like a nice, beautiful glow. I wouldn't put it all over the face though, because like I said, it does have little glitters in it, and I don't think you want a glittery face. I don't think so. But if you do, don't put it all over your face. Yeah? And next in the box, we have this right here. And this is called Saturday Skin. Is that the brand name? Is that the brand? Yeah, that's the brand name. So this is the Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Pill Gel. I should like read the descriptions. So it says it gently and visibly removes impurities and dullness from your skin with your new Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Pill Gel, created with enzymes from papaya and pineapple extracts. This pill gel promotes an even skin tone and boosts skin's elasticity with a super peptide complex. And I actually never really heard of this brand, and I looked it up and I'm pretty sure they sell this at Sephora. And I was like, what? I've never heard of this skincare brand. Maybe it's new? Maybe it's not, and I am not in the now. Yeah, they do sell it at Sephora, and this retails for $28. And some of their stuff has, okay, it must not be new because a lot of their stuff has like amazing reviews. So this has 4.5 stars. I don't know if you guys can see that. It has 4.5 stars by 949 people. Wow. So I'm excited to use her. So it's sealed and I'm not going to open it yet because with skincare sometimes it takes me a little while to like get through everything that I'm currently using before I like to try new stuff, and I don't like to always open it so I don't spoil it. But I'm super excited to try this because it has amazing reviews. And then next, right here, we have this Elemis Superfood Night Cream. Oh, I love night creams. Love night creams. There's actually my like all-time favorite night cream that I just got my mom for Mother's Day, but I'm not going to say it in this video because, like I said, gotta save it for my skincare video, but it is my favorite. This is the Elemis Superfood Night Cream. Retails for $45 and it says, wake up with glowy, healthy looking skin every single day thanks to the newest member of your nighttime serum. The Elemis Superfood Night Cream is packed with superfood lipids, chia, black seed, rice bran, and flaxseed oils that work all night long to keep your complexion intensely hydrated. The concentrated super grain complex replenishes your skin's barrier for a way smoother and way softer complexion. That's weird. I don't know if I'm looking at the same one on Ulta, but this one says it's $55 and it comes with 1.6 ounces. And this one is $45, comes with 1 ounce. But I don't know. Maybe this is kind of the smaller version of it, but it has really good reviews. It has almost 5 stars by... Oh, it only has 5 reviews. So is it new? Is it not new? I don't know. But I am excited to try this because I do love night creams. And this one would be a good one to switch back and forth between my other one and this one every other night. So next in the box we have this beautiful looking package. And this is the Glam Glow Super Serum 6 Acid Refining Treatment. This retails for $65. It says the new Glam Glow Serum works to instantly clarify pores and plump fine lines. Ooh, I need that, especially my forehead. Like, I have so many lines right here and like under my eyes, like I don't know what's happening, older age or something, because I never used to get all these creasings up here. It says the new Glam Glow Super Serum works to instantly clarify pores and plump fine lines, powered by activated charcoal to refine pores and the Super 6 Acid Blend, a high-potency complex of exfoliating AHAs, BHA, and PHA. It works on different layers of the skin to loosen dead skin cells, promote cell renewal, and even the look of dull skin and tone and texture. So, let's see what she looks like. Ooh, and very pretty. Let me see. Apply to a clean, dry face morning and or night. Follow with moisturizer. Use as directed. So it's just like any other serum. You can use it morning and or night. So I'm excited to try a new serum. Hopefully it doesn't freak me out or dry my skin out. Next, oh, I'm so excited I got this in the box because I saw that you could have gotten this in the box or it was something else. Can't remember what the other thing is. So you would either receive this in the box or another product, but I love this stuff. This is the Caudalie Grape Water, and you can use this before you apply your makeup, and it just adds like a nice moisturizer. I actually have one right here on my desk. This was actually my second time repurchasing it too, and I love it, love it, love it, love it. So I'm so excited I have another backup bottle. So next in the box we have, oh, and that retails for $10. It says, extracted from French grapes, your new Caudalie Organic Grape Water helps you increase hydration and reduce redness. Safe for sensitive skin, the fragrance and preservative-free mist can be used as a toner, giving your skin lots of soothing, moisturizing love. Ooh. So it is only $10, and I know that this one isn't the full size. It is more of the travel size one. They have another one that I think is like $16 and it has a little bit more product than this. And then next in the box we have this Kopari Coconut Cleansing Oil, and I was super excited about this because I'm running out of my my Clinique cleansing balm that I use. It's like a balm that turns into an oil to take off your makeup, and I'm running out of that. So I was super excited to see that we were receiving this in the box, and this retails for $32. It says it's time to break up with clogged pores. Your new Kopari Coconut cleansing oil gently kicks out the makeup impurities and environmental toxins that are living in and on your skin without stripping it of its natural moisture. The restorative antioxidants brighten your complexion, leaving behind an even skin tone and very soft surface. I'm so excited. I wonder if it smells good. I'm gonna open this one because I know I'm gonna use it right away. Well, not right away, but like within the next couple months. Ooh. Doesn't smell, it actually has like a fragrance to it. I was expecting it to just smell like natural and coconutty, but it doesn't really smell coconutty. It does have like a pretty strong fragrance to it, like a pretty perfumey fragrance. So, ooh, hopefully that does not break me out. Kind of worried about that. And next in the box we have these 2 Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask, hydrating and soothing for all skin types. And these retail for $16. It says hydrate, brighten, and soften your skin with a sheet mask literally like no other. Glow Recipe's Watermelon Glow Sheet Mask gets its jelliness and amino acid goodness from a blend of watermelon extract and natto gum. So, really excited about this. I need more face masks anyways. I swear I bought some and I have no idea where I put them. So, we'll definitely be using these. Probably tonight. Next, oh, what is this? Oh, we have a jade ruler. So we have a jade ruler right here, and I actually already have one. This retails for $32. Wow, I did not expect that. It actually comes in like a nice, pretty little green pouch right here. Retails for $32. The tool your skincare routine has been missing. The Jade Crystal Facial Ruler takes your skincare products to another level by helping boost circulation and pushing your skin to absorb your products better. You'll experience a visible change in your skin's glow, your dark circles, and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So I first got one of these a few months ago, and I didn't really use it all that much until recently, and I feel like it does actually help your serums and, you know, all your skincare really sink into the skin, and you can put it in your refrigerator, you can put it in your freezer, and it gives you like a nice cooling effect, and I just feel like it really does help. So that is it for the BoxyLimited Skincare Edition, and I believe it was $49.99 for this box, which really isn't bad because if you guys have seen prices on skincare, which this card shows you, but it is like crazy expensive. So it was actually a really good price, and that's how come I went ahead and I picked it up. Altogether, this box value was $268. That's not even considering tax. So if you were to add tax to every single one of these products, that's a lot of money. So you're saving a lot of money and getting really good skincare products that you guys can try out for your skin. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!